Hello and welcome back everyone. Enamel is the outermost layer covering the crown of the tooth and is known as the hardest and the most mineralized tissue in the human body. It is made up of approximately 96% inorganic material, mainly hydroxyapatite crystals, and 4% organic matter and water. This high mineral content gives enamel its incredible hardness, which is essential for protecting the tooth against daily wear and tear from chewing and grinding. Structurally, enamel is composed of tightly packed enamel rods or prisms that extend from the dento-enamel junction, the interface between enamel and dentine, all the way to the tooth surface. These rods are arranged in a specific pattern that provides strength and resilience, with a small amount of intra-rod enamel acting as a cementing substance to hold everything together. Because enamel is acellular, meaning it has no living cells, it cannot repair itself once damaged, making its preservation extremely important. Enamel serves multiple vital functions. It acts as a protective barrier against physical damage, chemical erosions from acids in foods and drinks, and from extreme temperature changes. It provides mechanical strength to withstand the forces involved in biting and chewing. It contributes to the tooth surface by affecting its color and translucency. Clinically, maintaining enamel's health is crucial, as enamel erosion or decay can lead to increased tooth sensitivity, cavities, and ultimately compromise the function and longevity of the tooth. This is why proper oral hygiene practices, regular dental checkups, and the use of fluoride-containing products are important to help strengthen enamel and prevent damage. Understanding the detailed structure and function of enamel allows dental professions to better diagnose, manage, and treat dental conditions, ensuring patients maintain healthy, functioning teeth throughout their lives. So this was just a short lecture on enamel. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Stay safe and goodbye.